Can't you send text message to Android from your iPhone? Hi there! This is Event if you're experiencing the issue of not being able to send the text messages from your iPhone to an Android device, but you can receive messages from Android users. Here are a few steps that you can try to resolve the problem. So let's get started. Solution 1 enables Send as SMS. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Message, scroll down, tap Send as SMS. If these enabled, then turn off and turn it back on. Solution 3, reset all setting. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset, tap Reset all settings. After that, your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have issues, please make sure that your SIM card has enough balance. Confirm that the recipient's number is correct. Double check that you have entered the correct phone number or contact details for the Android recipient. A small error in the number can prevent messages from being delivered. Thanks for watching.